Bean Envy Milk Frother Handheld, perfect for the best latte, whip foamer, includes stainless steel stand, black. Transport yourself to your favorite cafe every morning. Bean Envy's electric milk frother delivers you rich, creamy froth just like the professional baristas. Whether you're entertaining friends or family, frothing foam for your favorite beverage, or sending as a gift to loved ones, we guarantee our milk frother will deliver creamy, thick, velvety froth every time. Fast frothing with a variety of functions, this battery-operated frother is portable and perfect for the home, office, or traveling. The Bean Envy Milk Frother's robust motor is powerful enough, 19,000 RPM, to froth your desired foam in as fast as 15 seconds. Not only does this milk frother create creamy, perfect froth, it also can be used to mix hot or cold drinks, blend your favorite cocktail, or even whip eggs. Built to last, not all milk frothers are created equal. Bean Envy's electric handheld milk frother wand is made with 304 rust-resistant stainless steel, a powerful 19,000 RPM motor that produces very little noise, and a stand that will not break or bend when moved around the kitchen. Elegant ergonomics, the silicone rubber handle is made to fit comfortably in your hand. By positioning the operating button on the top, your hand will be in an ergonomically desirable position. Your hand and wrist will thank you and us. When you're done frothing, rest your new milk frother in its beautifully designed and easy-to-store stainless steel stand that looks elegant in any kitchen. Worry-free purchase. Here at Bean Envy we stand behind our products by offering an unconditional satisfaction guarantee and lifetime warranty. If you are not 100% satisfied, please contact us immediately and we will do whatever it takes to make your Bean Envy experience a good one. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.